Hello.
Hello. Yeah, hi, sir. Good evening.
Hi, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Okay, all good. So I'll start by introducing myself. I'm
Yes.
Advaith, 22, from Bangalore. I recently graduated and I've been working with Clapingo for around 2 months now. Why
Oh, it's
don't
great.
you tell me a little bit about yourself? How has Clapingo been till now?
Yeah, it was great, sir. My experience is good here till
Okay,
now. Yeah, it has been, I think, almost 12 session I have done in this platform.
okay.
Yeah. So the main
It,
problems are here today. The electricity has gone today in Delhi.
yeah,
I'm
I can tell.
Delhi.
No issues,
So
no
if I
issues.
miss the session, so it's difficult, like it's cancelled. It's not
Yeah,
to cancel. So that is the reason.
yeah.
Yeah,
No,
I'm
no
living in
problem, no
city
problem.
side also in Delhi living. So it is the first time
Yeah,
I'm facing this
yeah.
problem.
Electricity problem in Delhi, yeah.
Yes.
So, did you get to go to the session notes today?
Yeah, yes, sir. I gone through it. It was big city or a
Small
small
town.
city. Yeah,
Small town. So, what do you
small.
understand by it? What do you understand by big city or small town?
Big city, like I think mainly there are five or six big city in India.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Chennai, Bangalore, Delhi, Kolkata, Pune,
Mumbai.
Mumbai is also right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
these are
big
the big
city or
city.
small town? Yeah. So, like every country has its mixture of small towns, like Coorg and Manali and all these small towns, and they
Yeah,
also have a mixture of big cities like Mumbai, Delhi, like you were saying.
right, sir.
So, my first question to you. Uh, which is your favorite, big cities or small towns? What do you like?
Sir, is it is too complicated question for me because I can't stay in one place. You can say
Oh,
even
you like
I
to
go
move around.
in yeah. It's depend on movement, sir. I like in
Yeah,
I can't spend my whole life in hometown like
yeah.
I'm from hometown. I am from Uttarakhand basically. So I
Okay,
have
okay, okay.
completed my 12th from here there only.
Oh, yeah.
So now I'm in Delhi. So it has been 6 years in Delhi also. I
Okay,
can't
great.
say I can't say like small town is good for me or big city is
Feels
like
good. Yeah.
good for me. So it is a both good for me as per my
Okay.
as per my you can say experience or yeah till now
Yeah,
it both
experience.
yeah till now it both is equal for me.
It's
Yes,
been
sir.
good. So
Yeah.
you like a mixture of both.
Yes,
You
yes,
want
yes.
little
Because
bit of so you want to live in the big city, but you want like for me personally, I want to live in Bangalore, but I want to every year I want to go to a small town like
right,
Manali or just for a vacation, just to
right,
go
right,
away
just
from
for
it.
a vacations. Right,
Yeah.
right.
So,
Because Mhm.
yeah, tell me.
because the main thing is here, sir, we can't leave big city,
Yeah, yeah,
right?
yeah.
Because everything we need to hear, even even
Exactly.
Pradhan Mantri or all the big
Uh,
politicians are living in Delhi
MLAs
or
everywhere. Yeah,
yes, yes,
exactly.
yes. Every peoples are here.
If you want to make money and you want to become big, you have to live in a big city. Like,
Right, 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 right.
especially if you're from a middle class family like myself, you have to live in a bigger city too.
Right, right.
Exactly.
If you need a peace, so you can go your hometown or a small city.
Yeah,
But for some time you would love to peace, but after some time you need a something in your life also. Like it is a not a
yeah.
good something. You
Some
need to do
purpose,
some.
right? Yeah.
Yeah, right, right, sir.
So, okay, simple question. Which is better in your opinion? Do you think there is a better
Yeah,
option?
if I tell you true, big city is better for me.
100%, 100%. Even I agree.
Yeah.
So, hypothetical situation,
Mhm.
where where would you live? Where would you choose to live the rest of your life? If you had a choice, no
Mhm.
problem with money, no problem with nothing, everything you have, but you had a choice, either living in a big city or a small town. What would you choose?
Yeah. So I have everything. It means right, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No problems at
And
all. Everything. Yeah.
everything. If I want
Yeah.
something, so I can get in my hometown also.
Yeah, exactly.
Then surely I would like to live in my hometown.
Exactly. It's same thing. We all are drawn to the big city because it has everything, but if everything is there in the small town, it'll be better.
Right. Why will you come
Agreed,
to that?
agreed. But
Yeah.
if everything is there in the small town, then the small town will become a big city. That's the problem.
Right.
Right?
It is a culture. Like now you can say there are 5, 6 city in
Yeah.
our India. They are popular and
Yeah.
they are developing now. And when they
Yeah.
will develop, they will come to these category also. Like in a
Small.
small
Yeah.
town will become also
Yeah.
developer side like that. So
Exactly.
it is a very good big questions we can say.
Yeah. Like where I live, Bangalore. 20 years ago, Bangalore is not how it was now. 20, 40, 50 years ago, it was a small town. But
Right.
Mumbai got overpopulated, Delhi got overpopulated, everyone started
Yeah.
coming to the south and lived in Bangalore. That's how it works, right?
Right. Even in Delhi, where I am living, it's Vinod Nagar. Here is totally forest. Which place I'm
Oh,
living
okay.
now? 40 years
Okay.
back, here is a lot of
Hmm.
forest, or like very few people lived here. But
Yeah, a little
now it
rural,
is
right?
overcrowded here.
Okay. It's
All people are
overcrowded now.
living. Right. Like we can't go outside. Like even we are trying to find the plot here, but we
Yeah.
are not able to get till now. It's because we love this
Lot
place.
of
I want
demand,
to.
right?
Yes, it's too high
Yeah.
demand. You can get only flat here. There
Oh,
is no
okay.
plot now.
Okay.
Right,
From a forest to no space left to sell only.
right.
So, next question to you. Uh, describe your experiences in both the places.
Hmm.
Like, what have you experienced, and what is different in your experiences between a big city and a small town?
Okay. So if I talk about small town, you can like there is nothing, sir. In a small town, like it's totally up to persons. As per my
Yeah,
opinion, small town you can go everywhere. Like every people knows about you. You can talk
yeah,
easily, and
yeah. No
because
strangers. Small
no
community, right?
stranger. Yeah,
Yeah,
no stranger there.
yeah,
And yeah, you are aware about all the places, and
yeah.
yeah, because you born there, so there is a
Mm.
something in your like heart. You
Heart,
want to.
exactly. I was going to say heart.
Yeah,
Like you know the place inside out. So if your friend comes, you'll be like, "We'll go there. I know a spot. We'll go there. I know a spot. We'll go
right,
there." But if a friend comes to Delhi, you'll know places in Delhi, but there'll be new places you can still explore with them.
right.
That's the
But
difference, right?
in hometown, like where I lived, so we are totally from hill and mountain side. So I
Yeah,
love that nature because
exactly. Very beautiful
yeah,
place, right? Uttarakhand.
yeah.
Yeah,
It is very good
yeah,
place here
yeah,
there, and there are lot of famous place in Uttarakhand also.
yeah,
So yeah, I love mountain and hill, or I'm missing too. Whenever I get time,
yeah,
I go there. So that is
yeah,
a like a small. If I talk about big city, so you can get all facility, all like infrastructure is good here.
yeah.
Like you can get good educations,
Mm,
or like if you would like to talk to new people, so you can talk here because there are
yeah.
multiple type of peoples are living here,
Every
or
day
you
you
can
go out, you'll
follow.
see new people, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
And you can learn their culture also because
yeah,
I do job, so there are a lot of
yeah,
peoples are coming. You can do job
yeah,
here, or
yeah.
there are other peoples are coming. You can share your like journey.
Experiences.
Yeah,
Yeah.
everything you can
So,
share with them. Lot of things
yeah,
in big city. Maybe
yeah,
whenever you get bored, you can go with your friend in some places. There are a lot of
yeah,
beautiful place club or something like that.
yeah. You can go to a club, yeah. There are a lot of
Yeah.
places.
So
But then in Uttarakhand, you can go to a sunset spot or something like that apart from a club.
yes,
So it's very different.
yeah,
So I think the biggest difference in experience between a big city and small town is
mhm,
choices.
yeah,
In the big city, you have Acha, I want to go for a movie today. I have, if I'm in a big city, I have a choice from at least 10 to 20 theaters. In a small town, there'll just be one theater or two theaters, max to max. It'll be,
Right, right.
Acha, we want to go for a movie, let's just go. I hope there's a ticket available. So
Right,
I think it's choices that is the biggest difference, no, in the two.
right. Yeah. I totally agree with this, sir,
Yeah,
because it's totally up to person which choice would you like to give, and maybe some like I don't have any choice. I just want to live in my hometown
yeah,
entire life or something, or
yeah,
you want to spend your whole life alone, or but
yeah,
yeah, if somebody want interesting his life, so he can come
yeah,
here. It's
yeah,
person to
exactly.
person. Yeah,
Yeah, it depends from everyone. That's 100% true.
right,
So the
sir.
next question,
Mhm.
what are the advantages and disadvantages of a small town?
Okay. Sir, I would like to tell disadvantage first, because advantage, so
Yeah,
we have a like
there's a
discuss
lot.
a lot of
Yeah,
things.
yeah,
Yeah, disadvantage would be like you can't get facilities if someone has emergency there, so the same time you can't
yeah,
get facilities. Maybe if you have
yeah,
like a big disease something, so you can't
yeah,
get these disease solutions in small town.
yeah. Agreed,
You
agreed.
must have to come in big city, like in big city side like
Yeah,
Delhi, Bangalore,
bigger
so they
doctors, more doctors. Yeah,
right, so
yeah,
that is a
agreed.
like main disadvantage, you can say, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So lack
so
of proper facilities, basically.
right, proper
Yeah,
facility, education is not good there. And
yeah,
yeah, because in hometown the peoples are migrating from there now. In Uttarakhand, so all peoples are migrating because there is no job or
yeah,
something like that.
yeah,
So who peoples are only living there, they are not educated or they don't have anything, or maybe
yeah.
other peoples are also living, they have some
No, but
business
most
plans
of
or
them
something.
are from the previous generation.
Right,
Like your parents, your grandparents, they live there. But I
right,
think our
right,
generation is likes to migrate into the bigger city.
right, right,
First step will be going from hometown to Delhi, then probably from
right,
Delhi to Mumbai, then from Mumbai to America directly.
right,
Just wants
right.
to cut it, right? Uh,
Sir,
can
your
you hear
voice
me?
is yes, breaking your voice. Now is
Oh, okay. I
fine.
think
Now
that
it's fine.
now it's fine. I think little
Ah,
bit network issue is there.
right.
Yeah. So next question: advantage and disadvantages of big city.
Uh, I will tell you disadvantage only. Yeah,
Yeah, we spoke about the
disadvantage is
advantages already.
yeah.
Yeah,
Disadvantage is here is I personally feel this thing. Uh, if we get all facility, or like if I'm told about my, if I want to give good educations of my children, so he
yeah,
will go outside, maybe he will get uh wrong friends or something, like who
yeah.
smoke, or like he can go in
Drink or early
wrong
age,
way.
right? Yeah,
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 he can go in wrong way, or
yeah,
so he can, like there are a lot of things to distract him. Like
yeah.
he can easily distract by if
Get
want if
distracted. Yeah,
yeah, he and she want to do something in his life, so there
yeah.
are a lot of way he can easily distract
Get
if you go
yeah.
outside, so there are a lot of things.
Agreed,
So,
agreed.
and the disadvantage of city, like it is there is a lot of crowd, so crime
Yeah.
also high here,
Yes, 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 yes,
right?
yes.
And population is too high, so population is in it is Delhi is too populated.
Yeah, the population density, right? And no place to walk only. If you go to the market, you're just crashing
Yeah,
into everyone. Yeah.
yeah, and pollution is too high here.
Yeah, yeah.
But
Delhi pollution is very high.
right,
Yeah,
but now like governments are doing good, like they have
yeah,
started EV vehicle or something, electrical vehicle
yeah,
now day by day. But after some time it would good. I'm sure.
Yeah, for sure. So what we've understood from this is the good part about a big city is there are a lot of choices. And
Right.
the bad part of a big city is also there are a lot of choices,
Choices.
right?
Right, sir. Right.
Yeah. So that part, like that extra, like you were saying, your
But
kid,
we
you'll have
need
a
to manage. We need to manage both the things.
yeah.
Don't go in
As
one
human
way.
beings, that we have to do.
Right. But sir,
Yeah.
I do have a very few time. I think maximum 1 minute our call will disconnect. I just want to know my feedback first.
Oh, okay.
I
Yeah.
don't.
I just no. So all I've understood is so when you're talking, right? Hello.
Yeah, sir. I'm hearing.
Yeah. No, your video is frozen. That's why. Okay. So you can hear me, right?
Yeah, sir. I'm hearing you. Yes.
Yeah. So when you're talking a little fast. So when you think, you're thinking in your mother tongue, right? So
Right.
my suggestion to you is slow it down a little bit. Take a
Mhm.
second, think about the sentence, frame the sentence, and then deliver it. Because
Okay.
what happens is when you're speaking when you speak a little fast, your brain is continuously translating. So sometimes the first 2, 3 words you'll translate, and then on the fourth word you'll get stuck. So then the whole sentence will get ruined, right?
Right.
Hello?
Yeah. I'm hearing. I'm
Yeah,
hearing,
yeah.
sir.
Okay, I just want to know if you can hear me. So, what you should do is just take a second before you deliver the sentence. You don't have to immediately
Mhm.
answer a question. You can just hold on for a second, frame the sentence in your head, and then deliver it. Right. So, since it's only a 12 session, it will take a little bit of practice to get better at this. But I'm sure in probably 2 or 3 weeks, you'll only be able to see different changes. So I'll
Right.
make one suggestion to you. I'll put in
Mhm.
a podcast. Okay, I want you to just not you just listen to this. Okay, it's called the Ranveer Show.
Yeah, I listen, sir. I'm a very
Okay,
huge
okay,
fan of Ranveer Singh.
great, great,
Ranveer,
great,
I
great.
don't know full name. Ranveer, yeah. I am very huge
Yeah,
fan of
Beyond
him.
Biceps, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
He
So
make
keep
a
it up.
video related to personal development or something.
Yes. He's a. So why I'm suggesting this? You just keep it on
Mhm.
in the background, listen. The more you listen, you'll understand how they bounce off of each other, how they respond to each other, because you're good at that. You're good at listening to me and bouncing off of my idea, understanding what I'm saying and bouncing off of my idea. Where your problem
Right.
is in the way you deliver it.
Mhm.
So when you're delivering it, like I said, just take a second, frame the sentence in your head, and then deliver it. Okay?
Got it, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. So that is the